Hi, Mike Zonner here with a little bit of a typewriter work here. So I picked up the Smith Corona typewriter for dirt cheap, and I don't know if you saw that. That's another project I'm working on. But so I've got the Smith Corona typewriter here. Now it reeks of death and smoke and all sorts of nastiness, which I have sprayed it down with WD-40 and it works. But it's banging, and this is why. I don't know how well you can see this, but this belt is just incredibly loose. And so when I turn it on, it does this. That's not good. That's not good for the bearing. So what I'm going to do is pop this guy off, and this belt here, I don't know, you can kind of see the fraying there. So this belt is in really sad shape. Now, they don't make these anymore. So I bought 2 O-rings, and if I try to do this one-handed here, run that O-ring there, and this O-ring here, and switch it back on. Dead silent. It works. It's quiet. I mean, it's great. Everything works as intended, and that'll do it. So basically, if you just get these, get an O-ring that's about the same width as these drive belts, and then since it's an O-ring, it's going to ride higher in the V belt here. Once that focuses, it's going to ride higher in the V belt there, but it's not too big of a deal on any of the typewriters that I've ever worked on. I've seen these already installed on a few. So yeah,